My name is Ranga Perera. I am a private chef based out of Bozeman, Montana, and an avid fly fisherman. And today I got to fish with a friend of mine, Alex Kim.
Oh, dude, this is sick. Whew. This is when I tell you I hate heights.
We just get on our butts and we just slide.
Cool, let's do this.
We got to fish a spot where we had to hike in. It was kind of a crazy hike on some cliffs and then drop down and basically hike back up this little miniature slot canyon.
Shoot the old fish horn, huh?
Okay, so they like a little action. There you go.
Once we were done with our fishing, we were able to start a fire and we did some cocktails and some food. So the cocktail today was a local Montana gin, and we served that up with muddled kaffir lime leaf, some fresh lime juice, a splash of simple syrup, and some soda water, just really nice and refreshing. Nice citrus notes.
So sick. Cheers, man. Thanks so much.
And then we also made some rainbow trout. We cooked it whole. What we did was we got the skillet nice and hot, threw in a little bit of coconut oil, and some skin-on garlic cloves. What happens is when you have the skin on the garlic, it cooks the garlic without burning it, and you get this beautiful garlic-scented coconut oil. Pull all the garlic cloves out, and then we add the trout that was dredged in rice flour. So I've got the thickest part of the fish facing the fire because that's gonna take the longest. Get it nice and crispy on each side. And from there, we basically made a simple fried rice. So just a little bit of fresh grated ginger, some bok choy, some sesame oil, farm eggs, and rice. Pull the fish off into the pan directly, went in a little bit of water. All right, we got a little tamarind paste and palm sugar. We've got our garlic cloves from earlier, been roasted and peeled, and our chopped up green chili. We like it spicy, so we added extra, but kind of tasted it, made sure it was the nice balance of sweet, salty, spicy, sour, and kind of cooked it and reduced it, threw it right on top of fish, and that was our dinner, and it was absolutely amazing. And it was a great way to really, really enjoy our beautiful surroundings today, just with a good friend, just hanging out, good conversation in a corner of Montana that very, very few people get to see. So it was a very, very good day today because these are the days that really satisfy the soul. And for me,
hell yeah, dude.
I sleep very, very well after a day of being nourished with good food, good company, and just good outdoor time.
Mm-hmm.